Do you spend a lot of time searching for contracts hidden in various folders in different locations? Meet ShareControl Contract, a contract management system for Microsoft 365. The system makes it easy to register key contract data such as contract type, counterparty, payments, documents, and more. Key data from the contracts is then displayed in the library, where the most important parameters are visible. Here, the company can also define custom views and search across contracts. The system's notification function allows you to set up alerts for employees before expiration dates or other important events. Notifications are sent to the user's email as well as via Teams. For seamless signing, DocuSign can be integrated, enabling contracts to be signed directly within ShareControl Contract. The solution also offers analysis and reporting through Power BI. For detailed budget and forecast reports, our Excel VBA file can be used through the system's Pro version. All data in the system is stored in the customer's own Microsoft 365 account, ensuring full ownership of your data. If you use Microsoft 365, you already have a data processing agreement with Microsoft. For more information, contact us today.